Welcome to Requirements Engineering Training Workshop, powered by Tonex.com. Requirements Engineering Training Workshop provides a strong grounding in a range of techniques for revealing, analyzing and documenting business and system requirements. Requirements Engineering Training Workshop covers fundamental principles and concepts of requirements engineering and the techniques used to capture, validate, and gain a complete understanding of requirements. Who should attend? Project managers, project engineers, and project analysts. Product owners, subject matter experts, SMEs, business change managers, senior users, project stakeholders, IT systems architects, software developers, testers, support and trainers, practicing business analysts, product managers, engineering managers, requirements managers, engineers, specification writers, software systems engineers, software engineers, design engineers, hardware engineers. Learn about elicitation techniques, requirements analysis, requirements categorization, prioritization and documentation, quality characteristics of requirements, traceability and management of changes to requirements, verification, validation, and approval of requirements. Training objectives. Understand the concepts of requirements engineering. Comprehend the importance of requirements analysis in accomplishing successful project. Understand the concept of requirements quality. Measure the quality of requirements characteristics. Comprehend the fundamental types of requirements: functional, performance, external interface, environmental, resource, etc., and the significance of these distinctions. Understand the role of specification writing in accomplishing successful project results. Recognize the principles of good specification structure for specification of systems. Understand a broad range of public domain standards for different types of requirements. Determine the nature of the requirements and the type of information to which they belong. Document and prioritize requirements, distinguish, and help resolve conflicting. Connect project objectives, requirements to the business case. Explain the responsibilities of key stakeholders in the requirements engineering process.